In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay your Bank of America credit card from another bank using Bill Pay. We'll walk through linking an external bank account and scheduling your payment so everything runs smoothly and on time. I'll keep it clear and straightforward, and I'll add helpful tips along the way. First, sign into Bank of America using online banking or the mobile app. Make sure you're on a secure connection and that you're logging in through the official site or app. Once you're in, you're ready to navigate to your payment options. Next, go to Bill Pay, or if you're focused on your credit card, select your credit card account. Both paths lead you to the same result, setting up a payment source. Bill Pay gives you a broader view of payees, while going through your card takes you straight to that account's payment page. Now choose Add a Pay From account. You're adding an external bank. This is the account where the funds will come from. This is helpful if you prefer to pay from a checking or savings account at another bank. Enter the other bank's routing number and account number. The routing number identifies the bank. The account number identifies your specific account. You can usually find both on a check or in your other bank's app or statement. Be sure to select whether it's a checking or savings account and double check that everything matches exactly. Small typos can cause delays. You'll be prompted to verify the account. You can often do this instantly by signing into your other bank through a secure connection, or you can use the small deposit method. With small deposits, Bank of America will send 2 tiny amounts to your external account within a day or two. Check those amounts at your other bank, then return to confirm them. If you want to pay right away, instant verification is the faster option. Otherwise, the deposit method works well if you're not in a rush. Once verified, schedule your payment, choose the amount and the date. You can set a one-time payment or make it recurring on a schedule that fits your budget. You can schedule payments up to 1 year in advance, which is great for planning ahead. Keep in mind that payments may have processing times and there may be daily cutoffs, so scheduling a day or two early can help ensure on-time posting. Always make sure you have enough funds in the external account on the scheduled date. That's it. You've linked your external bank and set up your payment. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section as you follow along.